In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get a Google Drive file URL link that automatically prompts anyone who clicks it to make a copy. This is an incredibly handy trick if you want to share documents, templates, or spreadsheets while keeping the original file intact and accessible only to you. It's perfect for educators, team projects, or anyone looking to distribute editable files safely. To get started, open your web browser and navigate to Google Drive. Make sure you're signed into the correct account, especially if you manage multiple drives. Once you are inside, locate the file you want to share. It could be a document, spreadsheet, or presentation. When you find it, click once to select it. You'll notice it's highlighted, indicating it's ready for sharing. Next, look for the share icon, which typically appears as a small figure with a plus sign. Click on it and a sharing menu will appear. By default, your file is likely set to restricted, meaning only you or people you specifically grant access to can view it. To change this, click on the word restricted. This will display another option labeled anyone with the link. Select this option so that anyone with the URL can access the file. This step is crucial because it allows broader sharing while keeping control over your original document. Once this is done, click the copy link button. This copies the shareable's URL directly to your clipboard. Open a new browser tab and paste the link into the address bar. Here comes the key trick. Look at the URL carefully and find the word edit towards the end. Replace the word edit with copy. This small tweak is what triggers the automatic copy function. When someone clicks on this modified link, they are taken directly to a page with a button to make a copy of your file in their own Google Drive, leaving your original version untouched. After making this change, press enter. The page will refresh and you'll see the familiar Make a Copy button. You can now share this link with anyone, and they can quickly create their own version of your file without altering the original. It's a seamless, professional way to distribute templates, assignments, or collaborative files. And that's all there is to it. In just a few steps, you've created a Google Drive link that automatically prompts others to make a copy, keeping your work safe while making it easy for others to access and use. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out our other tutorials for more practical Google Drive tips that simplify your digital workflow.